Come on. You go in. What are you doing here? You can ring the bell. Ring the bell. Kun kun. Hurry up and ring the bell. What are you running for? No. Come out. Sister is injured. You have to shoulder the main beam of the family. Turn it around. Where are you going? Come back. Kun kun. This cat is really outrageous. He even came over to find you. He ran away again. Give you this bell. I don't care. I'll give you this one too. I'm going to change clothes. Let's continue practicing. Must practice. Shi Quan Da Bu Tang. Another chicken leg. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you want me to get you a bottle of water? No. Wait a moment. Come on. Come over here. I'll get you a bottle of water, and then you. Ha 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 ha. Oh no! Pull back, pull back, pull back. Little crying bag. Come on, dry this bottle of water, little backpack. Mute. Mute. Ignoring people. Is it okay? Can I have a bowl? Why are you ignoring people? Are you good at cooking and bringing yogurt at the same time? Ignore it. Ignore it. Let's go out. We won't play with him. You need to play with little weeping bag. Then let's have dinner. Let's eat. Let's eat. Dad stewed a big chicken leg for you again. Don't you love eating big chicken legs? What's wrong? I can't eat it. I can't eat what I bought. When you eat inside, you didn't bring it to me either. What's up? What are you laughing at? What's wrong? It's making a fuss. What's wrong? Why are you laughing?